get that money and stay turning, don't call me lucky. It's not always sunny, roads get bloody. Go hard or go home.
What's up, guys? My name is Cruz. I am the founder and head trader of NewAgeWallStreet.com. I wanted to make a quick video on this REV Revlon stock here, guys. Everyone is kind of talking about it. It is up over 100% on the day at the highs. So just wanted to go over it and kind of give some levels and just some technical analysis and just my 2 cents, to be honest, on what's going on. So I hope this helps out. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. We'll go over here and get into my screen. And this is my Thinkorswim chart. This is Revlon over here on the left hand side here, guys, and we started here from a low of around 427 upwards of the high here at $9.99. As of right now, the change percentage on the day from this blue line right here is $87. So monster run here, guys, and I think that everyone's question is it going to continue? Is it a buy? Should I get in? You know, what's the direction that it's headed, things like that. And I'm just going to go over some levels that I hope will help you out here to make an informed decision, especially for the newer people. Again, just to reiterate real quick, this is not financial advice, just my opinion, and I just want to keep people safe, and hopefully you could take it to heart here. So invest and trade at your own risk, okay? With this being said here, guys, this is up on some bankruptcy news. So the bankruptcy judge allowed them to restructure and get some loans here for their business, and so it is just basically a huge short squeeze. So if we come over here to our FinViz, you could actually see here on the FinViz, you could see the short float is actually 86.52%, which is pretty big. So whenever you have anything over 50%, you are definitely prone to have a really nice short squeeze, and that is exactly what's going on right now. So I was actually asked in my stock cast yesterday, our weekly member meeting for my Discord room, I was asked what are the components of a short squeeze. So you have to have organic buying, you have to have delta hedging up higher, right, from the option contracts for anyone that is selling premium, right? So that is selling calls. If it gets above a certain level, they will have to buy the stock in order to be able to cover those contracts that are sold. And you also have equity shorts that are covering their positions. And the way that you cover equity short position is by buying the shares, right? So you have three ways, three different kinds of buying that is happening at the same time that just gives this huge explosion. So what I believe is going on here now is, and I like using the market profile here for these bigger type trades. So I'm going to switch over here to that market profile, and you can see the point of control here to the upside being around this 980, 960 kind of ish area. This is the previous highs right here. And then it's also all this support here. If we extend this line to the left, you can see where this is previous support here for a very long time and now acting as resistance, okay? So pretty much what happened at this point is we got this nice run here right up to the level that we were talking about. We did not have enough volume and demand to be able to break it. That's where all the sellers were sitting there to either take profit or to try to short it back down. So now we are in a reaccumulation type phase here where we came back down here. We are buying up to try to make the next move to break this 975, 80-ish area. $10 is going to be a big resistance because of the whole number as well. So what I believe is going to happen is that we will reaccumulate, and our support is going to be at around this $8 mark. So we'll come over here to this 5-minute chart. So we want to stay above $8, accumulate sideways against this $8, and I believe the market just closed. It's going to close. So accumulate above this $8 to act as support. This is going to be our resistance to break, and once we do break this in the $10, we are pretty much set to go as high as we want to here. Then at that point you can see the volume drop off. We have a little bit of volume here at the 1155, but then the volume tapers here pretty drastically, and we could get moving here pretty quickly, especially if we move over this 15. You can see the volume gap, and we get all the way up here towards the 20. So a target of $20 if we break if we break 10 is not unheard of. I think we could definitely happen. And one of the cool things about this is that this is going to attract a lot more traders back to trading. So maybe the old AMC apes, other traders that kind of got away from the market. So having these runners like HKD, REV right now may attract more traders to the market, and that only brings us bigger moves. So when there's more volume, more buying, so that is pretty exciting, especially with the moves that the bigger chips that are happening. You can see the SPY over here on my right hand side. The market's just hot all the way around, whether you trade large or small caps. So really excited for the market sentiment that we have right now, and these bigger moves that are setting up right now. But again, I just wanted to kind of go over the overall sentiment and kind of just my 2 cents on the way that I'm reading this, and hopefully you get a little bit of value from it. So we will watch this into going into pre-market tomorrow, and then I'll update this video tomorrow as well. All right, make sure you guys stay safe, make sure you guys are managing your risk. We'll see you guys next time. All right,
Go harder, go home. Every day since birth, out here putting in work. Every day since birth, out here putting in